In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI. Notion AI can save you hours by helping you draft content, summarize long notes, and even enrich your databases. I'll walk you through 3 core ways to use it so you can work faster without losing clarity or control over your workspace. First, let's draft content right where you are working. On a new, empty line, press the spacebar to start drafting blog posts, meeting agendas, or brainstorms. This opens Notion AI's writing prompt so you can describe what you want. Be specific about your goal, audience, and tone to get better results. For a blog post, mention the topic, key points, and preferred length. For a meeting agenda, include the attendees, objectives, and time blocks. For a brainstorm, state the theme and any constraints, like budget or timeline. Once the draft appears, read it carefully. You can regenerate, expand, shorten, or tweak the tone until it matches your voice. Remember, it's a starting point. Make quick edits to align it with your context and add any details only you know. Next, use Notion AI to make long notes digestible. Type AI and select Summarize to turn a dense page into a clear overview or a list of action items. This is perfect after a workshop, a client call, or a project debrief. If you need a concise recap, ask for a short summary. If your team needs next steps, ask for action items with owners and deadlines. You can keep the summary at the top of your note or under a summary heading so it's easy to find later. Always skim the output to confirm it captures the key decisions and follow-ups accurately. Finally, bring AI into your databases. Add a database and select Use Notion AI to automatically fill in properties or summarize entries. This can help generate short summaries for long descriptions, suggest tags based on content, or propose statuses to speed up triage. Use it to keep information consistent across entries without manual copying. Before you publish or share, review the AI-filled properties to ensure they reflect your team's standards and make any necessary adjustments. That's it. 3 practical ways to put Notion AI to work: drafting with Space, summarizing with AI, and enriching databases with Use Notion AI. Try them on your next page and refine as you go. Thanks for watching.